I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right. A snake gon' be a snake, whether it dog or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right.
And what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. In today's video, guys, we will be installing the Skar Audio CCA 2000 watt 0 gauge kit in the truck, man. I got the box in the truck. Well, I got the box and it's sitting there pretty good. The seat's not sitting up that far because it's not slid all the way back. I still got to get the seat lift so I can slide the box on back, but it's still not sticking out as far as much as I thought it would. Probably, honestly, don't even need a seat lift. But if you're here just watching this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. And we about to get this thing popping. If y'all hear some wind noise, it's a very windy day, supposed to rain. And I'm gonna try to get this kit installed as fast as possible, because the only thing I truly have to do is run the 0 gauge and the ground wire and hook the amp up, then wire the subs up. I already have, I don't know if I showed y'all last video, but I already had a remote wire ran. I had my RCAs ran, and I think these wires right here were for the were for my voltage meter. But all that is still ran from the previous system that I had in the truck, so I ain't got to worry about taking the head unit out and all that. It was already pre-wired and ready to go from the last setup. And y'all know this is why I had it grounded at last time. So we're gonna use this same ground again. We're gonna clean it up and use the same ground, cause I had no problem with that ground. The amp wasn't cutting out of nothing like that. It was real good ground. So everything is already set up, ready to go. Like I say, the only thing I got to do is run the wire, find a good place to put the fuse on, put the fuse holder, and we're gonna run the wire up on the truck, and then we'll go back on the inside and, you know what I'm saying, hook it up in there, and hopefully get this thing playing by the end of this video, or before it get dark, or before it start raining, whichever one come first. But with that said and done, appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Let's get this thing playing. I'm super excited to see what it's gonna sound like. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so as y'all can see, we got the cable right here. It came ready, already heat shrink, all that good shit. So that's perfect. That one little thing I got to worry about. But what I do have to do is figure out where I'm gonna mount this fuse box. I'm guessing this is, yeah, it's a 200 amp fuse, which would be perfect for the setup for the truck. Cause like I said on last video, guys, I'm not gonna go too ridiculous with this, man. No more than a 2000 watt amp going to here on 2.8s or whatever. So that's the plan for this. So what I'm in the process of doing now is trying to map out where I'm gonna put my fuse holder. I'm about to splice into this wire so I can be able to hook it up to the fuse holder, and y'all get what's going on. All right, guys, this is how I crimp my wires. If y'all don't have one of these hammer wire crimpers or one of the hydraulic wire crimpers, man, it's a very good investment. Very good investment. Just sit the terminal in there, throw the wire through it, and beat the hell out of it until it get flat, basically. But money well spent. I'll leave a link in the description below. This shit make life way easier. Okay, guys, so as y'all can see, we got it wired up. I'm gonna mount my fuse box up here on this little firewall. Y'all can see it down there in that corner, but we going up under the truck. I don't feel like getting back down there. Y'all see I got my cardboard down there. And we coming up through the floor panel right there. And then the only thing we got left to do is to run it along the floorboard and go to the back. And once we add the fuse, this will be a hot wire technically, and then we'll get the ground wire, like I said, and probably ground it back right there on that bolt, or find another bolt to ground it on. But I'm gonna pull the amp out. I'm gonna hook all the wires up to the amp, make sure the amp does work. If the amp do come on and do everything it's supposed to do, we're then gonna go we're gonna go and pull the subs out. And when we get the subs out, we're gonna pull the box out, wire the subs up, and we're gonna see what she do, y'all. No wires to be seen. Everything look pretty damn good. You can see it right here, but I'm gonna tuck that on a little more. But that's the hot wire. I'm getting ready to go to the back. Now, next thing I'm gonna do, guys, is go and get the amp. Find a spot to mount it. Find a spot to mount it, and we're gonna hook our wires up, and we're gonna see if it come on. If it come on, then we're gonna go and get our subs, wire the subs up, hook the subs up to the amp, and it should be game time. I made this for the video. Make sure y'all go drop a like on the Rec 9, man. Y'all drop a like on this video, man, because I don't know if y'all know it, like, well, busting knuckles up trying to run wires and shit, man. Hey, it's hard work, man, whether people want to admit it or not, man. That's why installs cost so much, man, because it's hard work. Got to get on the vehicle, got dirt all in my eyes and shit. Like, it's rough, guys. So make sure you drop a like on this video, man, cause I'm pretty excited, man. So like I said, drop a like on this, guy, because it's very tedious work, man. Let's get okay, guys. So as y'all can see, the amp is hooked up. We got the remote wire right down, the ground wire ran. Now only thing left to do is, I'm gonna pop the hood back. Only thing that's left to do, guys, is put our 200 amp fuse in it, and we gonna fire the truck up. And if the amp comes on, if the amp does come on, we're gonna get the subs, and we gonna wire the subs up, and we'll be completed for today. Then, you know, later on down the line, like I told y'all, I am gonna get some kind of rhino lining or bed line or something like that to put the box on, because I want that box to be real durable, being that the kids be sitting back there kicking the box and all the other crazy shit. I need that box to be real durable, so I may not even stain that box. I'm just gonna put a rhino liner, bed liner, Duratec liner, whatever you want to do, you know, call it. I'm gonna put that on the box, so it's gonna have a real tough finish. So that'll be in a later video, but today focus on getting it playing, seeing what it sound like. Then we'll go to testing and tuning in the next videos. But with that said and done, guys, I might throw the fuse in it. Next clip, we'll be seeing if the amp will come on. Let's get the fuse is hooked up. Let's see if we got some fire, man. Please come on. Got the red light. We got the blue light. Y'all see it? Hold on. Hold on. Let y'all see. We got power. Let's get it. If and then, hey. If and then, hey. Going through the door. About to get live in the Silverado. Let's get it though, y'all. Let's go. I'm in the process of wiring the subs up. Like I said, these are dual tools, guys. So I'm gonna be wired down to 2 ohms, not half ohm, because the amp I got now is not half ohm stable whatsoever. So we're gonna be wired down to 2 ohms. And on dual tools, you'll put the positive and negative on each sub together. And then vice versa, you know, you'll go to positive from this sub, the positive on that sub, negative on that sub, negative, and then, you know, you run it to your amp, and bam, there you go, 2 ohms. So that's what we're going to be running at, 2 ohms. These have direct leads, so I got to put electrical tape on those, and I'm going to have to run it to the box and all the other good stuff. And then we'll be ready to see what it sounds like once I get the sub wired up and connect them to the amp. Y'all seen the amp come on. Once I place the subs in the box and bolt the subs down after wiring them, y'all, we'll all see what it sounds like. I'm super excited, man. This is just another quick update. I got the subs in the box. They're wired up. The only thing I have to do now is put the bolts in them and hook them up to the amp. Okay, as y'all can see, we sitting right there at 2 ohm, man. Like I said, they're dual tool, and we're sitting at 2 ohms on the head. Let's get it. Subs are mounted. Only one thing to do, y'all. Let's hook it up to the amp and see what she do. Let's get it.
I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all. Hey, little mama, check me cool, don't want no bitch. You play too far up on the gang, ain't no bitch. I'm
Shit.
I'm bringing it.
Like I said, man, this thing sound good, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. This thing sound good to be 2/8, man. Tuned at 35 hertz. Man, look, I'm gonna play another song that play low notes, and I'm gonna let y'all see what them low notes do. This is not your typical front-facing port prefab box, guys. It's not tuned at 40-something ridiculous ass hertz, man. It's not like, it still plays in the mid-20s. I can't get low in the low 20s like my previous box, but mid-20s, oh, it played with authority, man. To be 2/8s. And just the circumstances of the system, guys. Keep in mind, man, I got a Pioneer amp on it wired at 2 ohms, man. The subs really not seeing what that amp can do. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Y'all already know who it is. We bringing that pressure. R.I.P. Dog, man.
It made me rich. Made my money in my hood, the money making me. Stand 10 toes down, nigga, don't flinch. Nah, don't switch. Down for the shit. I was drinking lean back on Buffalo, drinking Chris. Jumped in this rap shit and I hit a lick. When I die, split the M's, give them to my kids. I don't blue diamonds, I don't look like this. Very dark, what they call me nowadays. Used to sell a whole lot of bags around the way. Bury me in my in my grave. Like a rich slave. Came at my mama, doctor smacked my ass. Start crying, looked at her, said, nigga, get paid. Yeah, I hate fame, but everybody know my name. Hate comes with money and they both come with the game. Everybody love me, now this shit seems strange. All them diamond chain, he look like a rich slave. All them diamond chain, he look like a rich slave. All them diamond chain, he look like a rich slave. Show tellers on and a whole lot of ice. Just to get right, hit the game with my life. Why you was thinking twice, I already roll the dice. Wearing bands, running in and out all night. Sing to your bitch like I'm Brian McKnight. Smoking on some 41, call it to your right. 10 cars outside and all my shit tight. Trap nigga, but I fuck my bitch to very white. Big trade. I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right. A snake gon' be a snake, whether it dog or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right.